CapCut has one button that can turn your boring videos into a viral reel. You don't even need to know how to edit, you don't need to cut, you don't need to do anything. You don't even need to think about the choice of sounds to use. All you have to do is to upload it to CapCut and it will do all the work. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do it for free with your phone. Now open your CapCut app, and this time we are not creating a new project. Just go to the home page and look for a feature called Auto Cuts. Now you click on it and you get to upload your video or videos that you want to merge together to form a viral reel. Now you upload your videos and just allow the AI to analyze its thing. For this demo, we'll be using this boring video, and let's see what CapCut AI will do to it. This process is really quick because the AI just really takes time to analyze it. The good thing about it is that it gives you options. Now it will look for concepts that fit your video type and match it with a trendy sound that you can use for your videos. Now you can go through the options and check the one you like the most. If you like more than one of them, you just get to click on them and export them differently, like different videos. So for this one, I checked all the options that it gave and I preferred the first one, so we are going with the first one. And it's that easy. Like, this account is not even a paid account, it's a free mobile account. If you use CapCut a lot, then I created a special playlist for you. I'll update this playlist every week with new CapCut tips and tricks, detailed tutorials that I get to show you what I found out from the app. A lot of people have found it helpful. I think you should check it out and subscribe so that you get to know whenever I update this playlist. Now, if you tried to use AutoCut and it worked really well for you, however your experience is, put it in the comments because that's the only way I get to know that you were here.